Hello, in the last lecture we were facing issues related to the decimal problem. So let us resolve this and let us jump to the Power BI screen. Okay. So we have stuck up like we are not able to getting the full details of like 0.24 which were showing earlier. So currently we have selected whole number. Now we have to select the decimal number. Again click on the yes, but still it is not showing. Okay. Why? Because we have selected as a zero. How many figures we need after the decimal value, that is point. Okay, so currently we have selected as a 0. Now we are replacing a 0 to the 2 and press the enter. Still our data is not getting loaded. So this time just right click anywhere in the table and press the refresh data. Okay, so it will again seeing the data with this our database, which is XLSX. Again that figures will be loaded. You can see that finally our figure has been loaded. So by this way you can correct the data. So it is important to select the right kind of the data type. I hope this is clear to you.